Hello, today we show you how to change Bitcoin to your MoMo bank account. Firstly, select your crypto pair and click Exchange button. If you need help, you can contact with support in right bottom corner on the site. Enter your MoMo phone number or email where you will receive the money and email to contact you. Confirm your information. Now send Bitcoin to generated Bitcoin address to start the exchange to your MoMo account. After the first confirmations of the crypto transaction, the funds will be sent from BoltChange to your MoMo account instantly.